Welcome to our review of the newest infotainment system in the BMW iX1, which has revolutionized the automotive infotainment user experience. The iX1, a groundbreaking electric SUV, is equipped with futuristic features and impressive technology that set it apart from the competition. Engineers at BMW have addressed common issues and limitations found in previous infotainment systems, delivering unique features such as advanced voice control, an intuitive interface, seamless connectivity, automatic parking feature, and much more. Let's explore some of these exceptional technologies. One of the standout aspects of the BMW iX1 system is its versatility. It offers numerous options that allow you to configure your SUV to perfectly suit your driving style, transforming it into the ultimate vehicle. In this video, we'll dive into the specifics and show you why the BMW iX1's system is truly the best we've ever seen. How do you access journey data and reset the stats? How much range can you get on a single charge? How to reset the journey information. If you are interested, it's not so easy to find. I click the home button and then I swipe the widget to see my BMW. I chose this one, and instead of this content, I choose the content tile and choose journey data, and then I see the values. So these are irrelevant because I had the car on during my recording, but actually car was not driving. So let's check like all the information. So here is feedback, like since individual, since someone set up this schedule or this driving mode, and this is from February. So in Norway at least this is pretty much middle of winter, and the average energy consumption is 20.8 kilowatt hour per 100 kilometers. Yeah, it's 4,700 kilometers done. So we can calculate how much range we would get. We can check since factory. So these are like all the information. So I guess it's mostly winter here. So it's 21.2 kilowatt hour per 100 kilometers. But we want to go to individual, right? And we want to reset individual. So now we see everywhere is 0, and we are about 98% of the battery. How do you set up the car for more range, and how do you activate eco mode? I will push the brake, I will turn on the car, I will choose my mode to efficient. My temperature, the AC is on and temperature is set to plus 20 Celsius degrees. So you see AC is on, is sync, the vent is quite low because it's quiet, so I like this. And quite important, there is a fresh air from the air circulation. If I would put to automatic, I would get possibly more range. And then you see the car has 98% of the battery capacity, and the range shown here is 332 kilometers in theory. How long does it take to charge the iX1 using an 11 kilowatt hours AC home wall charger? How do you change the charging goal? And what are the useful charging options? And this is a charging screen. So the car is connected to my home wall charger, and as you can see, the battery is charged now from 63% up to 100%, and the 100% will be at midnight or 38 minutes after midnight, and it's AC 11 kilowatts. That's the charging speed. I would guess this charging takes longer than in BMW iX3, I think, even if the battery is smaller. Charging menu. So the charging now will be immediate. Charging it is ongoing. We can set departure, we can set limit, we can set the charging limit, we can unlock the cable. Actually, I found an interesting feature. When you go to the vehicle status, you can just change the position on the screen of your car. Pretty funny, but it's a nice touch. what does sport mode look like and what's my favorite setup. And I have to go to the sport mode, so I click mode button and then I choose sport, and as you can see the settings: drivetrain sport, driving dynamic sport, and steering is actually comfort. I don't like heavy steering wheel or with a bit of weight to it. I just like to commute comfortably. If iconic sound is irritating you, here is a tip on how to deactivate it. If you want to change the iconic sound or turn it off because maybe it's too loud for you or not really comfortable to listen to it, then you can easily do it by pushing this button, car with a kind of hamburger. Then I got this menu and I go to iconic sound, can turn it off or turn it on. It's also here, iconic sound off and on. So it's up to your driving preferences. This is a general look at the infotainment screen and digital driver display. Perfectly well organized, beautiful banded screen with some angles. This is crystal sharp screen. I just love it. The more I look at it, the more I like the new menu. And you have many features. You can just see how the maps look like and how it's responding. Media, you have radio. Of course, I can't use it at the moment to get copy strike or music rights. And you have plenty apps. And this screen is just excellent, and at least from my point of view I can see everything I need here. And if it's something flickering for you on the screen, don't worry, it's not visible for human eyes here. It's just possibly showing on the camera. I don't see it now. And this is amazing feature, augmented reality in the BMW Virtual Live Cockpit Professional. Let's fake that we want to go to Göteborg, Sweden. So I just go to the navigation and search for the place. Yeah, it's the same. So you see the car is showing here the marks, where to go, where to turn. Very nice camera, very sharp, quite responsive, quite fast in the transmitting the signal. And we will drive towards the highway. So you see there are road indicators on the actual camera. Camera is in the front of the hood. I just love it. I wish to BMW put it even in the older vehicles, which are kind of same equipped. If you like this video so far, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. This will help the channel to grow and let me to produce better videos in the future. If you have ever wondered how good and safe BMW's automated parking feature is, this video is for you. Start parking forward. Yay! Well done! Congratulations! Okay, start leaving parking space. Let's test it out. Please press brake pedal to start maneuver. Okay, I'm just watching if nobody is here around. What car is doing? This parking support is way better than at least it was in my Tesla Model S75D. Oh, and that's it. I would like to have more. Big thanks to Sul and Moss for lending me this vehicle. Thanks to them, I could perform the real-world test and present results to you. Here is some basic knowledge about the current BMW driving modes you can choose from. You can change the volume here, but I can't present you the music now. You can change my modes on the touchscreen. So we know from other BMW's versions, personal is Be Comfort, Sport is the same, Efficient is Eco Pro in the past, and we have three more: Expressive, Relax and Digital Art. Understanding the remarkable user interface of the BMW iX1 ensures that driving becomes both effortless and enjoyable. Its user-friendly design and cutting-edge technology make operating your iX1 feel like second nature, offering convenience and ease every step of the way. With this comprehensive feature, navigating your daily journeys becomes a breeze, saving you time and streamlining your driving experience. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of the BMW iX1 xDrive30. I hope you found it informative and engaging. Stay tuned for more exciting content in the future. So I hope you liked this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I see you in the next one.